In this video, we are going to discuss few problems on area as double integration. First problem, find the area between the parabolas y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4ay. The first thing, we have to write the formula. Double integral dx dy, or we can write dy dx also. This is the formula to find the area in Cartesian coordinates. Okay, in polar coordinates we are having different formula. First thing, you should remember this formula, and then diagram. Step 1, write clear formula and then draw the diagram for the given curve. Okay, x axis, y axis. Y square is equal to 4ax parabola this side, and x square which is y square is equal to 4ax. Then x square is equal to 4a, open top. Okay, this is our bounded area, this area. Okay, now we have to mark the intersect points. Okay, we know that this one is origin. Here this point is, if we solve these two equations, we will get the required intersect point. First equation is x square is equal to 4ay, and then second equation y square is equal to 4ax. From this equation we can write x is equal to y square by 4a. Substitute in this equation x is equal to y square by 4a. X is y square by 4a whole squared is equal to 4ay. Now we can write y power 4 by 4 square is 16, a square is equal to 4ay. This can be written as y power 4 by 4y. Here y is there, no? Y equal to, we can write 4, already here 4a is there, into 16a square. Okay, now we can remove one y, which is y cube. Y cube is equal to 4 16s are 64, which is y cube. A into a square will be a cube. Now we can write y cube is equal to, this is 64 is nothing but 4 cube a cube. Therefore we can write y is equal to 4a. Okay, we are getting y is equal to 4a. Now substitute y is equal to 4a in this equation, in any one equation. Substitute y is equal to 4a, means here y square is equal to 4ax is there, the second equation. In this equation substitute 4a means 16a square is equal to 4ax. Now we can write, we can remove one a, and also 4 4s are 16. We are getting x is equal to 4a. Okay, x value 4a, y value is also 4a, which means the intersect point is here 4a comma 4a. In this way only we have to calculate the intersect points. Okay, okay, after identifying the bounded area, first we have to mark the intersect points. Okay, and then now we are going to find the limits. Okay, if you want to find the limits, now we are going to draw the strip. Here I am taking the strip perpendicular to x axis. We can take in any direction, which means perpendicular to x axis or perpendicular to y axis. Okay, if the strip direction is here perpendicular to x axis, means here x limits will be constant. That is our outer limit. Okay, first we are going to find the x limit. Okay, the strip starting from this point. Okay, here x value 0 and 4a, here x value 4a moves along in the x axis, which is x value 0 and x is equal to 4a. Okay, from this point to this point. Here x value 0, here x value is 4a. And then y limit, calculate the y limits. Y limits is nothing but just we have to take the both end value at a. What is y? This a lies on the parabola. X square is equal to 4ay parabola. From this write y is equal to x square by 4a. Okay, this is our lower limit. At b lies on the y square is equal to 4ax parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax. From this write y is equal to root of 4ax, that is 2 into root ax. Now we can write y varies from x square by 4a to 2 into root ax. Here x varies from 0 to 4a. In this way only we have to calculate the limits, and then substitute in the formula. Area is equal to double integral dx dy or dy dx. We can take in any order according to the strip direction. Here strip direction is perpendicular to x axis. Here in this case x limits are constant, that is our outer limit, which means write in the form of dy dx. Okay, our limits 0 to 4a outer limit, inner limit is x limit outer limit, inner limit x square by 4a to 2 root ax dy dx. Okay, now hereafter normal integration only we are going to do, and we can integrate one by one. First integration with respect to y, integral 0 to 4a, integral of dy will be y with the limit x square by 4a to 2 into root ax into dx. First apply upper limit value 2 into root ax in y minus lower limit x square by 4a into dx. Okay, now integrate with respect to x with the limit 0 to 4a. Here 2 into root a constant, root x means x power 1 by 2, integrate with respect to x, it will be x power 1 by 2 plus 1, 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, minus here x square is there, x cube by 3 will come, already we are having here 4a right here, 0 to 4a. Okay, now we are going to apply upper limit and lower limit values in x. 2 into root a, the denominator 3 by 2 goes to numerator, it will be 2 by 3, and then substitute here x is equal to 4a, 4a power 3 by 2 minus x is 4a, 4a whole cube divided by 4 3s are 12, 12a. Then apply lower limit value 0 here, first term 0, second term also 0. Okay, all the lower limit values are 0. Now simplify this equation. 2 2s are 4, 4 root a by 3, 4 power 3 by 2 is there, 4 can be written as 2 square whole power 3 by 2 into a power 3 by 2 minus 4 cube a cube divided by 12a. Okay, 4 cube a cube divided by 12a. Now we can write 4 by 3, here we can remove this 2, 2 cube is 8 into 8, root a is there, root a is nothing but a power 1 by 2, here one a power 3 by 2 is there, this can be written as a power 4 by 2 because denominator values are same, and also here base value same, we can add the powers, in the power also denominator values are same, we can add the numerator term 1 plus 4 by 2, that is a square minus 4 cube is nothing but 64, a cube we can remove one a here, which is a square by 12. Okay, here we can remove 3 4s are 12, here 16 4s are 64, 4 8s are 32 divided by 3 a square minus 16 by 3 a square. If we subtract from this to this term, both the denominator values are same, Now we can subtract the numerator term. 32 minus 16 will be 16 by 3 a square, which is the final answer. Okay, next problem. Find the area between the parabola y is equal to 4x minus x square and the line y is equal to x. Okay. In step 1, as we discussed earlier, first we have to write the formula, area formula. Area is equal to double integral dx dy or dy dx. And then step 2 diagram, draw the clear diagram. X axis, y axis, given curve, first one is parabola and then second one is straight line. We know that the shape of this line y is equal to x, straight line passing through the origin, but we don't know the shape for this curve. Y is equal to 4x minus x square. In this equation, substitute some values for x. When x is equal to 0, what is y? Y is equal to 0. The first point will be 0, 0. Then put x is equal to 1. If you put x is equal to 1 here, 4 minus 1, 3. Y is equal to 3. Then put the point will be 1, 3. Then put x is equal to 2. If you put x is equal to 2, 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 4 will be 4. Y is equal to 4. The point will be 2, 4. Then put x is equal to 3. We will get 4 3s are 12. 12 minus x square, x is 3 means 9. We will get y is equal to 3. The point will be 3, 3. Okay. First, if we identify the points like this, and then we can easily draw the diagram. Start from the origin 0, 0. Before that, you mark the points clearly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 0 start from here. Then 1, 3. 1 here, x value 1 here, y value 3 here. 1, 3. Next one is 2, 4. X is 2, y is 4. X 2 here, y is 4 here, which is 2, 4. And then 3, 3. X value 3, y value is also 3 means here. Okay. Now, if we join the points, we will get the required shape of the curve. Y is equal to x line also we can draw the straight line passing through the origin. Draw the line like this. Y is equal to x and then join these points. Yeah, we are getting the bounded area. Our bounded area is the whole area. This is our bounded area. Then after identifying the bounded area, we have to find the intersect points. Here already we calculated the intersect points. One end 0, 0, other end 3, 3. Already we got it. And then next step, you draw the strip. You can take the strip perpendicular to x axis. One end A, other end B. We can draw the strip perpendicular to y axis also for your convenience. I am taking the strip direction perpendicular to x axis, which means here x limits are constants. X limits are constant. Okay. The strip starting point here 0, 0. Here end point 3, 3. The strip is moves along in the x axis from 0 to 3. Here x value 0, here x value 3. X is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. Therefore, x varies from 0 to 3. And then calculate y limits. Y limits is nothing but just both end. We have to take these both end because the strip covered the full area from 0.2 3, 3 covered from this point to this point. We have to take that both boundary also, one end A, other end B. At A, what is y? A lies on the straight line, here y is equal to x. At B, what is y? The parabola equation is y is equal to 4x minus x square. From this right, y is equal to 4x minus x square. Therefore, y varies from x to 4x minus x square. Hereafter, normal integration only we are going to do. We can integrate easily. We know that the formula, area is equal to double integral dy dx. Write in this form because our x limits are constants, that is our outer limit. Outer limit is 0 to 3, inner limit is x to 4x minus x square. This is our inner limit dy dx. Now first integrate with respect to y with the limit x to 4x minus x square, which is y. Limits are x to 4x minus x square into dx. Now apply our upper limit value 4x minus x square in y and then lower limit value x. We are getting in this form. Now before we integrate with respect to x, first you simplify this equation, which is integral 0 to 3. 4x minus x will be 3x minus x square into dx. Now we can integrate with respect to x with the limit 0 to 3. 3x square, which is 3x is there, 3x squared by 2 minus x square is x cube by 3 with the limit 0 to 3. Okay. Now substitute, first apply upper limit value 3 in x, which is 3 into 3 square. 3 square is nothing but 9 by 2 minus 3 cube. 3 cube is 27 by 3. Then apply lower limit values, both are 0 only. Okay. 3 9s are 27. 27 by 2 minus 27 by 3. Okay. Taking LCM with the 6. 6 means here 2 is there. 3 2s are 6, multiply with the 3 here, 2 into 27 minus, here 3 is there, we have to multiply with the 2, 2 into 27. Okay. 3 27s are 81 minus 2 27s are 54 by 6. Is equal to 81 minus 54 will be 27 by 6. Now here 3 common, 2 3s are 6 and then 9 3s are 27. So see, the answer is 9 by 2. 9 by 2 is nothing but 4.5. That's all.